Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to the Go Trade. This is the weekly forecast for the upcoming week of the August 2nd week. Yeah, we're in the weekly chart. Yeah, here we're having a minute indication and information. Yeah, we are going to conclude into the day chart for the next week. If we go, guys, I have already marked the supply and demand level in the day chart. Yeah, if you guys seeing that the two rejected level, gives the indication and information about how the market is going to be, and it is the clue to enter into the market. And the first one we are going to give a technical analysis. Yeah, we are going to give two technical analysis, one with the EMA moving averages, and another one is using the volume. First, in the EMA we are using the 1821. 1821 is a dynamic value in the day chart. Yeah, the 8MA is a green color and the violet MA is a violet color. Yeah, guys, see it's touched in the E80MA and it's not fair. We are going to conclude with the volume. The volumes are conjecture. The volumes are in same level and no high volume or low volume any such places. Yeah, no problem. The volume equals. We kept aside. This is our technical analysis. We are going to see the possibilities of the next week. First, I'm going to give the possibility 1, and this is the possibility 1 because the market is in the buy trend. The buyers are interested in buying, so that if they make a pullback at the moment and they will make a higher high, if the market pretends above this level, it's going to be belongs to the possibility 1. Wait for the market to go up. If the market breaks down with the high volume, it may be a turn against in the seller side. If it turns again in the seller side, wait for that and conclude that with a high volume breakout. And if the sellers were aggressive, the market is going to be reach or take profit the first demand level. If they were aggressive, they were going to be second demand level. Yeah, guys, cheers, enjoy the trade. Subscribe us for the further forecast, guys, and click the bell button to get notified by us to you. Cheers, guys.